Hello and welcome back to Morning Math with the Gallaghers.
I'm Mrs. Gallagher.
And I'm her son, Grayson the elf. It actually just is comfy. The blanket literally is comfy. That's that little... Oh, here it is. Right there. Comfy.
And today we're doing another math art challenge with you guys. So
Yep.
This was the second math art challenge that was posted on Twitter. And so we're going to teach you how to do this. The thing I really like about these math art challenges is you don't really have to be super artsy to be able to do them, and they always turn out really, really cool. So I'm going to switch to the document cam so that we can see how to do. Oh, Grayson's going to switch to the document cam so we can see how to do today's challenge. All right.
That's how you do it.
So here we have a blank piece of paper. And Grayson, you were going to do the first step for me, right? Because you're really good at doing this.
Yeah.
So the first step is you start and you draw a squiggly line that squiggles all over the paper as much as you possibly can. And the only rule is you always have to go back to where you started to be done. Look at that squiggle. That is the most beautiful squiggle I've ever seen, Grayson. You did a great job. Wait, let's show them the examples after we show them what to do, okay?
Oh.
All right. So here's our squiggle. And again, the more squiggles, the better. And Grayson is really good at drawing squiggles.
Yep.
And then when you're done drawing your squiggles, then you're going to color. And
you should probably only use 2 colors. But my mom's other son, Grant, he used a lot of colors.
Yeah, and I'm just going to color this one really, really quickly because we don't have as much time and we don't want to bore you with our coloring. But when you're coloring, the main goal...
It wouldn't bore you.
Oh, you don't think so?
No.
The main goal when you're coloring is that you color different sections.
Different colors.
Yeah, so you don't want to have the same color touching itself. So I had green in the first one, so I'm going to do pink in the next one. And then this one touching that one, I'm going to do green again because I don't want to have the pink touching a pink. And then you just kind of go along and you color all of them.
Ooh.
Oh, Grayson likes to add some extra squiggles afterwards.
That's what I did with my last one.
Yeah. So I'm going to keep coloring this one off screen, and Grayson's going to show you the ones that we made last night. Do you want to show them those?
So I'm going to show my mom's one first. Can you... I think I should turn it the other way. Right? Mom,
yeah.
Just like... If it's like that on my...
Oh, if you turn it this way, they'll be able to see the whole thing.
Okay.
So mine didn't have very many squiggles.
Yeah.
I wasn't too happy with it. It looks pretty cool, but
it looks like a dog. It kind of looks like a dog, right?
I think it looks
That's
like a dog.
what my mom said. So, we're gonna show mine now. In my perspective, I kind of think mine looks like a dragonfly iguana for some reason. This is mine. You see a lot more squiggles than this, right? I would think so. So that's mine.
Yep, and then we have our other one, right?
Yeah.
Grants.
So it might be a little hard to see because he didn't use it with colors, with markers.
Yeah. So
yeah.
His might be a little bit harder to see, but you can still look at it. And so that one is Grant's. Did you put it up, kiddo?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm working on this one. I think I'm almost done.
That fast? Oh yeah, you're coloring it all in.
Yeah, I'm just trying to finish as much as I can. All right. Well, I'm going to put this one back up so you can kind of see what I did. I'm almost done, not quite. So this is the one that we just did earlier today. I've got a couple more sections to color in. So we've got this one, which is green, and then the biggest section right here
pink.
Needs to be pink. Now this, I'm having some trouble with this one. Let's not put in any more because I don't think I can color them, kiddo. Because I don't like that those 2 pinks are right next to each other, but oh well, such is life. And there you go. And that's our crazy math art project. So now I'm going to show you some that I found online because they're pretty cool. So I'm going to show you again that the website where we found all of these. and then we'll show you.
Ziggy Cam.
No, off the Ziggy Cam.
No.
Yeah, so I'll show you the website where we found all these, and then we'll show you some
right
really
here.
cool ones that I found.
There. Right there on the whiteboard.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Aw. All right. So here's the person that's been posting these math art challenges, Annie Perkins. She's a math teacher, I believe. And here's the first one that she did to kind of like start it off and show you how to do it. And then here's some other really cool ones that I found. So this one, they look like abstract art to me. I really like them. This one looks pretty cool. That one has lots of squiggles. The more squiggles, the better. And notice that they didn't just use 2 colors. So you can use as many colors as you want. Again, I think the main goal is that your colors don't touch each other. This person used patterns in theirs, which I think is super cool too. So you don't have to
just have to color it in.
You can color it in however you want. So you can use patterns. You can do straight up just regular coloring.
Okay.
Here's some more that were just regular colored. This one is so cool. This one, they took their squiggly line in art and then they made it into a even more art project, right? So like I couldn't do that.
You should turn your head sideways to the right
so you can see it. But if you're super artsy, then you can totally do that as well. I like this one too because it's the same squiggle on both sides, but they colored it in differently. So on this one, they've got a lot of great shading techniques, and on this one, they just did some lines.
That looks like that kind of looks like something we use in Feeble art.
Oh yes, Feeble art.
And if you went to Los Alamitos Elementary School, you would know what that was.
Yeah. Here's the last example that I saw. I like this one. It's got a lot of dots on it, and I think it kind of looks like a dinosaur to me. And so that's our art project for today. Again, if you want to take on these art challenges, I would like to, well, we're going to be almost done, so don't be gone too long. Okay. If you want to take on these art challenges, make sure to post them on Twitter, or if you don't have a Twitter, you can just email them to me. I'd love to see the art that you're doing at home that has to do with math. My Twitter handle is mathingnerd, and I hope that you enjoyed this morning's edition of Math Art. Well, math.
Bye! Bye!